off!
Well, at least nobody will have to worry about their weight again.
That's enough out of you! I'm going back to bed!
What did I do?
And you, Missy, are going to clean up this mess!
I'll help. Looks like the sink's clogged up too.